Hi everyone, it's Heather. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our recent videos. We are here again at Dutch Wonderland in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and today's ride will be the fun slide. My younger son loves this slide. My daughter really wants to go on, but you'll see and pay attention because there are height restrictions. So unfortunately, she cannot go yet. So maybe later this year, she will finally be tall enough. But again, my son loves it. I don't mind the height. I think it's fun. So I am showing you the full ride, start to finish. The line can get long, and it seems like part of the reason it can get long is because it's kind of a slow process. You have to walk all the way up. You have to make sure it's clear. They're keeping everyone safe. So there have been many times that he chose not to wait in a long line. We were here and it was not a crowded day at all. So he saw there wasn't a long line and he was ready to go. But be prepared that there will be a wait because lots of kids love this ride. But it's worth it. It's fun. It's a short thrill. It's enjoyable. Hopefully my daughter can get on later this year because I think she would really like it. Thank you so much for watching and for all your support. Bye.